Ever wondered how you could make coding less challenging and more efficient? Well, let's embark on a journey into the world of GitHub Copilot, a game changer in the realm of programming. This revolutionary tool, brought to life by the collaborative efforts of GitHub and OpenAI, is an AI-powered coding assistant designed to help you navigate the complexities of writing code. GitHub Copilot is more than just a tool. It's your coding partner, your digital companion, always ready to lend a hand. It doesn't matter whether you're a seasoned developer or a newbie dipping your toes in the sea of code, GitHub Copilot is here to assist. With its AI-driven capabilities, it doesn't just help you code, it helps you code better and faster, reducing errors and streamlining your workflow. Developed by GitHub, a platform that needs no introduction to developers, and OpenAI, a leading name in artificial intelligence research, GitHub Copilot is the result of years of research and development. This innovative tool leverages the power of AI to revolutionize the way we approach coding. So, how does GitHub Copilot function as a coding assistant? It's all about understanding your code in real time, suggesting relevant code snippets, functions, and even entire lines of code based on the context of your project. It's like having a seasoned developer peering over your shoulder, ready to offer advice and direction when you need it the most. But GitHub Copilot isn't just about offering suggestions. It's about learning and adapting to your unique coding style, improving with every line of code you write. It's an assistant that grows with you, becoming more efficient and effective the more you use it. Could you imagine a world where coding becomes less of a hurdle and more of a creative, collaborative process? That's the world GitHub Copilot is helping to build. It's not just about making coding easier, but also about making it more accessible to everyone. But how does it work? Let's break it down. Once installed as an extension in your favorite code editor, GitHub Copilot gets to work. This artificial intelligence-powered buddy is all about context, and its working mechanism is nothing short of fascinating. It's like having a pair of AI eyes peering over your shoulder, analyzing your every keystroke and comment in real time. Here's how it works. GitHub Copilot is built on a machine learning system called Codex, developed by OpenAI. Codex has been trained on a diverse range of public code repositories, which means it has seen millions of lines of code, different coding styles, and a myriad of problem-solving approaches. As you start typing your code, Copilot kicks into action. It's not just looking at your current line of code, but it's considering the whole context of your work. It's taking into account the function you're in, the file you're in, and even the whole project you're working on. It's like it's reading your mind, anticipating your needs, and then serving up the code you need on a silver platter. But the magic doesn't stop there. GitHub Copilot also understands natural language comments. So, if you're not sure how to write a particular piece of code, you can just type out a comment in plain English and Copilot will generate the code for you. It's like having your own personal coding translator, breaking down the language barrier between you and your code. But what happens when you need a bit more help? Say, for instance, you're working on a Python project and need to implement a sorting algorithm. Instead of racking your brain or endlessly trawling through Stack Overflow, you can simply type a comment like, "Sort this list of numbers." Copilot then springs into action, generating the code to sort your list of numbers. It's like having a coding superhero at your fingertips, ready to swoop in and save the day at a moment's notice. With GitHub Copilot, you can simply type a natural language comment like, "Sort this list of numbers," and the magic happens right before your eyes. Picture this, you're deep into your Python project, and you've got a list of numbers that needs sorting. You could spend your time piecing together the appropriate algorithm, or you could turn to your trusty assistant, GitHub Copilot. With a quick comment in your code, "Sort this list of numbers," Copilot springs into action. It understands your request, analyzes your code's context, and in a flash, it generates the code to execute the sorting algorithm. It's like having a Copilot in the cockpit with you, guiding you through the coding journey and offering expert input when you need it. Now, let's hear from a fellow developer who's been using GitHub Copilot in their coding projects. GitHub Copilot has been a game changer for me, they say. It's not just about the time it saves me, though that's a huge benefit. It's also about how it's helping me to improve my coding skills and knowledge. When Copilot suggests a function or piece of code, it's an opportunity for me to learn something new. And the best part? It's constantly adapting to my coding style and habits. It truly feels like a personalized coding assistant. But what's the real-life impact of GitHub Copilot? Well, it's all about efficiency and learning. Developers are finding they can get more done in less time with Copilot's assistance. Plus, they're continually expanding their coding knowledge as they interact with the tool. It's a win-win situation. In the world of software development, time is of the essence. And with GitHub Copilot, developers are finding they can not only save time but also enhance their skills, improve code quality, and deliver projects faster. And there you have it, folks. GitHub Copilot isn't just changing how we write code, it's changing how we learn, grow, and innovate in the field of software development. GitHub Copilot has been a game changer for me. Beyond saving time, GitHub Copilot also promotes collaboration and learning. This AI-powered assistant is not just a tool but a learning partner that helps developers broaden their coding horizons. By suggesting different solutions and coding approaches, Copilot nudges developers to think outside of the box and consider alternative methods they might not have thought of. It's like having an experienced mentor by your side, providing instant feedback and guidance. Moreover, GitHub Copilot fosters collaboration. Developers can share the generated code snippets with their teams, promoting discussion and collective improvement. This collaborative aspect of Copilot is a testament to the open-source ethos that GitHub embodies, making coding more transparent, democratic, and accessible to everyone. But let's make no mistake. GitHub Copilot, despite its ingenuity, is not without its limitations. As an AI tool, it's not infallible. It might generate incorrect or inefficient code at times. For instance, in complex projects requiring nuanced understanding and specialized knowledge, Copilot's suggestions may fall short. Equally, while Copilot is a great tool for generating boilerplate code and automating repetitive tasks, it doesn't replace the need for developers to understand the underlying logic and principles of the code they're working with. The understanding of algorithms, data structures, and design patterns is still essential for any developer, and these are areas where human judgment and experience are irreplaceable. Lastly, developers must always review and test the code that Copilot suggests. While it can certainly speed up the coding process, it doesn't absolve developers from their responsibility to ensure the code is error-free, efficient, and meets the project's requirements. In conclusion, GitHub Copilot is a remarkable tool that provides numerous benefits, such as increasing efficiency, promoting learning, and fostering collaboration. However, it's not a silver bullet, and does not replace the need for a thorough understanding of coding principles, nor the necessity for diligent review and testing. While it excels at generating code for common tasks, developers still need to review and test the suggestions to ensure they meet their project requirements and coding standards. In conclusion, GitHub Copilot is a powerful ally for developers, streamlining the coding process and fostering creativity and collaboration. This innovative tool, a product of the collaborative genius of GitHub and OpenAI, is truly a game changer, reshaping the coding landscape by automating repetitive tasks and offering intelligent, context-aware suggestions. Imagine having a coding assistant that understands your project context, anticipates your needs, and offers solutions even before you realize you need them. That's what GitHub Copilot does. It's like having an experienced pair programmer by your side round the clock, ready to step in with valuable insights and solutions at every stage of your coding journey. But let's not forget, as with any AI tool, GitHub Copilot has its limitations. It's not here to replace developers or absolve them of the need to review and test their code. It's here to assist, to speed up the process, and to offer a fresh perspective. It's here to help you write better code, faster, and to make your coding journey a more enjoyable, more efficient one. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, why not give GitHub Copilot a try? Experience firsthand the transformative power of AI in your coding journey. Share your experiences, your victories, your challenges, and your insights. Let's learn, grow, and code better together. Remember, technology is evolving at a phenomenal pace, and staying updated is key. GitHub Copilot is not the end, but just the beginning of a new era of AI-powered coding. The future holds endless possibilities, and you, as a developer, are at the forefront of this exciting journey. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let's keep the conversation going, let's keep exploring, and let's keep coding. Until next time, happy coding.